Hello guys, welcome to another brand new Forex video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. It's been a while since I uploaded a new video as I was busy with other work. I will try to upload as many videos as possible in the shortest time on this channel. I hope you like this video. Here I am applying the trade in Euro versus US dollar whose risk management is already done. See you guys later. Guys, right now we have $3,467 in our account, which we are going to grow. Right now we are incurring a little loss, but we will be in profit very soon, because our entry has happened at the right time. Now I understand you why I placed the selling trade here. The market was following a strong uptrend before our trade, but now a selling opportunity has been created here. Now we start technical analysis, which will help you understand the market trend better. The market was moving upwards, taking support on this trend line, due to which the market has respected this trend line. We can also call these support points as higher low points. All these points will be well connected with the trend line. The second trend line will be connected with same angle at higher high points. This trend line was acting as resistance. Together these two trend lines have given us a perfect uptrend channel which the market was following for 1 to 2 days. We will easily find strong buying patterns in this uptrend channel. Here the market has given a trendline breakout, due to which the market is moving downwards. Our entry is on the right place, so that we can follow risk management properly, which is very important. Now we will create a strong reversal level here which will reveal the exact position of the market. For this I am using the rectangle tool. At this level the market has created support and resistance points at the same level, due to which a strong support resistance level has been created here. At these points you can see that the market has respected this level well. It will be easy for us to place a stop loss from this level. The market has broken the strong support resistance level along with the trend line. High probability chance market will move below this level because all the levels we have drawn are giving selling signal. Guys, I will place some more trades here because we are getting very good price. Even if we get some more margin in future, we will place the trade. Always manage the risk and calculate the position size properly. Now we have to place the stop loss and target point. My stop loss will be above the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel, which is 30 pip up. If this is a fake breakout, we will exit this trade. And the target point will be 60 pip down, where the market can go after some time, and it can make a new lower low. Here I am using the risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, which I do in every trade. Guys, we have come out of loss and into profit. Right now our profit is more than $100, due to which we are getting more margin. Here I will apply another trade which will increase our profit further. Let us now apply stop loss and target point. Guys, all our work is complete. All the levels here are working perfectly, from which we can guess that the market will go down from here. This is a game of probability only, where you have to manage the risk to reward ratio and winning rate. After placing a trade, the trader always has to maintain patience in the trade, no matter how many small or big moves occur. Never close the trade before hitting the stop loss and target point. Always follow your rules, only then you can become a real trader. Now we wait here when the market hits our target point or stop loss. Till then, enjoy the video.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word and act with class. As they hear me snap, I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots that they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new.
Wow guys, nice move. Our analysis was absolutely correct, due to which we were confident that we would definitely win this trade. The market went straight down here, which is not always the case in the market. Such moves are sometimes seen in the market. It is a bit difficult to prove such moves true. Patience is everything in the market, for which we have to keep our psychology strong. Now let me explain to you the next level where the market can go next. For this I am using the rectangle tool. The market has created multiple support points at this level, which the market has been following for a long time, due to which this is a strong reversal level of the market. This type of level gives us signals. Now the market has broken this level below, due to which the chances of the market going down increase significantly. Here the market will retest this level and go down, or we can see another sharp move. Our goal has been achieved here. Now we close the trade. Guys, right now we are making a profit of more than $4,500. We had $3,467 in our account, which has now grown to $8,869. Here we used a very simple trendline breakout strategy due to which we generated good profits. Always follow the same strategy so that you become a master of that strategy. If you want more strategy videos, then you can check the channel's playlist. If you have learned something from this video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.